Hi there, welcome to the Schwowin's Nest. My name is Sandra. I'm so glad you could join me today. I am super excited to share with you my Summer Spotlight series. This is crafter how-tos, tips, tricks, instructions, budget-friendly crafting, and much more. I'm going to be doing this every Monday in July and August, and I hope you'll join me every week to learn something new. Whether you're a beginning crafter, a seasoned veteran, or somewhere in between, I think you'll probably find something useful in these videos. Lesson 1 is creating a YouTube thumbnail using Adobe Spark. Go to spark.adobe.com. Then you'll arrive on this main splash screen. There are many ways to sign in. I'm going to choose Google. I'll then choose the account I want to log in with. This is the main page of Adobe Spark. You'll be able to create a project, go to your home page, which is where I'm at right now, take a look at your projects. You can also upload your brand so you can use it in any of your YouTube thumbnails. And you can also learn more about Adobe Spark. We're going to keep it simple today. Let's click on Create a Project. You can see from the drop-down that there are many different types of options. We don't see YouTube thumbnail on here, so we'll click on Custom Size Graphic. YouTube thumbnails are found under Social Post. Click on the YouTube thumbnail and click Next. Here we are right inside Adobe Spark. This will save automatically as the default name of my post. To change the name, just click in the box and change the name. Once you click away from it, you'll see a little saving word pop up, and now it's automatically saved. If you want to go back to the home page, you can click on the Spark logo. These are your projects. You have an undo and a redo. You can add collaborators. You can download your image, and you can also share it. Today we'll be focusing on downloading it to be able to use in our videos. This is our YouTube thumbnail size. Right now it's a blank canvas. The only thing that's on here is the Adobe Spark watermark. We're going to click on it to remove it. Of course, Adobe wants you to sign up. You don't need to do this. What you can do is just click on a free plan if you'd like to log in, or you can just X out this page and continue working. You'll see now that the watermark has disappeared. I'm going to change the color of the background so it's easier for you to see what I'm doing. I'll just choose black for now. Off to the side, you can use the scroll bar to just move up and down and choose different colors. Whatever works for your thumbnail. I always start with black because I like my images to have a black border. The next thing I'm going to do is add an image. I'll click on the Add button, which is this big plus sign on the right. Here I'll be able to add multiple options. I can add text, a photo, icons, and my logo if I've uploaded it. At this point, we'll probably just be working with text and photo. I'm going to click on the photo button, and here I have the options to upload a photo from my computer or find free photos. For my thumbnail, I'm going to upload a photo. I'll search through my computer to find the image I need. I'm going to use this one. Here is where you can choose how to add the photo. You can pin it to the background, which means it'll become the background and you can put other things on top of it. Or you can choose to move it freely, which means you can size it to however big you want it to be, and then add things around it and on top of it. For today's video, I'm going to choose Pin to Background. Now that I've added my photo, I have more options in the right sidebar. I can increase or decrease the scale. I can rotate the photo. I can flip it horizontally or vertically. If I've pinned it to the background by accident, I can click on Move Freely, and it becomes a photo that I can move around on my page. Alternately, then I can pin it to the background again. I can click Replace, and I will have the option to, again, upload another photo or find some free photos. For now, I'm going to keep this photo. Now I'm going to add some different things. I'm going to add some text. Here's where you can start from scratch just by clicking the Add Your Text button, or you can start choosing from templates. I use a specific font for each of my thumbnails, so I'm going to choose Add Your Text. Once you've typed in your text, you can click Done. Here's our text that has been dropped onto the page just in a default font style and size. We're going to want to change that. Here on the right, you can see the different options that are available for the text. In your font family, you can click the arrow, which will show all of the different fonts that are available. I always use Pacific Northwest Rough Regular. You can see that my text has gotten quite small. Just by grabbing the corners, I can make it bigger. I can adjust how it looks. I can keep it one sentence or do anything I want with it. Just click and drag it wherever you want it to be. Now I'm going to change the color of the text. I'll click on the T for type. If I've got the font that I like, then I can click on color. Right now, the current colors are black text on a little bit of a pink background. Adobe Spark tries to find complementary colors that are in the picture. These are some suggested colors based on the colors in the photo. I like to choose black and white. For this one, I think it's too dark. So just easily, I can shuffle the order of the colors just by clicking the two crossed arrows. If I wanted to change the color, I could click on the three lines, and now I have the ability to change the color of the text however I want it to be. Perhaps I'd like this to be green. I'll move the slide button down until I start getting some green tones, and I can choose a green color. Because I like my letters to pop, I'm going to go back to black. Click on Save so your text style and color has been saved. You can also change the style of the shape. Click on the Shape button to reveal a lot of different styles. Right now, we're just in the square. I could choose a rounded rectangle, or I could choose a parallelogram or any other type of shape that I like. From here, I can also then change the color again. If I wanted to choose a specific color that was inside my photo, I could use this little eyedropper, click the eyedropper, and move over the picture until you find the color you like. That's a little dark, so I'll try it again. That's better. Don't forget to save. If you like how it looks, you can go ahead and click the download button. You can see here that my thumbnail has now been downloaded. I'm ready to add it to my video. Here's how the thumbnail looks when I place it in my video. It's the exact size I need, and I can do all sorts of other things in Adobe Spark as well. If you'd like to learn more about Adobe Spark, stay tuned to next week's lesson where I will go into more details and give you a lot of other options to make your thumbnails stand out. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you have any questions about Adobe Spark, feel free to add them into the comments. If you like this kind of content, hit that red subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.